Welcome to Enchanting Moments with Ringneck Parrots, a video compilation. Get ready to witness the beauty and charm of these colorful creatures. Watch as they gracefully fly through the sky, displaying their vibrant plumage. These playful birds are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic sounds. From hilarious laughter to sweet chirps, their vocal talents will leave you amazed. Join us as we explore their curious nature, as they interact with toys and explore their surroundings. During the breeding season, these devoted parents build elaborate nests to raise their young. Witness the tender moments as they feed and care for their adorable offspring. But it's not just their beauty and intelligence that captivate us. Ringneck parrots are also incredibly talented performers. From dancing to spinning, their energetic performances will put a smile on your face. Thank you for joining us in these enchanting moments with Ringneck parrots. We hope you enjoyed this video compilation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.